Hi there, YouTuber and subscribers. This is Angela Koojblias, and the song that I have to share with you guys today is called Viv Ncaug. It's a song I wrote the Moog lyrics to this Thai worship song piece, I guess. But I really don't know what the Thai song is translated into, so I kind of changed a little bit up and used it for a Namtsev retreat. So the Ntseeg and hlub would be a good song for y'all to just, you know, break the ice and get to know each other and stuff like that. So I hope that you guys will enjoy the song. So here we go. Vaajtswv Viv Ncaug mong ý chí giờ yêu tu mong đời giờ yêu tu mong lên về tu tu mua tua tu kinh tranh về yêu shi lu ha shi pu shi thao ha shi ku về kinh tranh cô chúa khó khó cô yêu lu co vì về yêu Viv Ncaug Vaajtswv Viv Ncaug mong ý chí giờ yêu tu mong đời giờ yêu tu mong lành về tu tu mua tua tu kinh tranh về yêu shi lu ha shi pu shi thao ha shi ku về kinh tranh cô chúa khó khó cô yêu lu co vì về yêu Viv Ncaug Để cho tu ya Viv Ncaug Viv Ncaug Viv Ncaug để cho tu ya Viv Ncaug Viv Ncaug Viv Ncaug để yo shi pu ha shi lu shi thao ha shi ku be kinh tranh cô chúa khó khó cô yêu lu co vì về yêu Viv Ncaug Oh, it's so fun. There's actually dance movements to it too. So I might post up a tutorial. Depends on my dancing skill right now. But okay, y'all be encouraged. I love you all. Hello on txhis. Keep on edifying one another, building each other up, and yeah.